Hello viewers, are you experiencing YouTube video dark problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix YouTube video dark problem. So let's see how to fix it. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings. Now scroll down and find apps option. Now go to apps option. Now find YouTube from the app list. Now tap on YouTube. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Tap on search bar and search for YouTube. Update YouTube app in latest version. Just update your YouTube app. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After following all steps, hopefully this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.